Alright, Nick and myself are gonna head down to the barn to check on the animals this morning, let them out. Here's our little farm in Tennessee. It's a little bit cold today. I think it's in the 40s right now, low 40s.
Yeah.
So, not too bad though. We're from Florida, so it can sometimes feel pretty cold here for us. But we're gonna walk down, see how the horses are doing, feed the goats, or goat I should say, chickens and pigs. Get them ready for the day. You'll see our neighbors, they have a horse. She's down there right next to our barn. She's waiting for Nick's horse, Tucker, who obviously is a boy. She's already calling him. She sees us, so she knows that we're about to let Tucker out. She wants to see him, and that'll probably make her day. So we'll get down there and let them out. And they can roam around for a little bit. So we've only lived here a few months, Tennessee. Got this barn and need a little bit of work. There's a lot of wood and gates that we have to take to the dump. Just to clean it up a little bit. Look, you can see her over there. She's trying to knock my fence down. She's waiting on Tucker. So Nick's gonna go in. He's gonna let him out. We're gonna give him some food. And
Tucker.
look, see, she knows Tucker's about to come out. She's getting excited. That's Tucker right there. That's Nick's horse. Noelle is also in there. She's Jordan's horse. We'll let her out. She's gonna follow. Not too close though, because she knows Tucker will kick her for some reason. He is not the most fond of her. So you see Tucker, he comes out. He's gonna go and say hi. It's pretty funny, right? Like,
Yeah.
every morning she does this. She just wants to see him, and then he'll come up there, and then they'll just go off and do their own thing. And then they have a little donkey that she just pretty much hangs out. So this is their routine every
Should
day.
get a donkey friend for it.
We should get a donkey friend. Donkeys are pretty good about keeping coyotes away. We do have a lot of coyotes around here. You can hear them every night.
Over here.
Now our little goat Anthem. She's so cute. You'll probably
I'd have to go see.
hear her in here. Look, she's up there. Inside the pen, two little potbelly pigs. The white one is pork chop, the black one is crispy. Look at her, that's pork chop right there. Crispy. They know we're here to give them some food and some water. And then Anthem over there playing with the chicken. Which we have 5 chickens. So we're gonna get them fed. All right. kind of a
close that
mess
gate.
over here right now. We need to get out here and organize it. You see they've got saddles on the ground. This is what happens when you let kids do what they want. They don't put things back where they belong, right?
Okay, I set it down to give him a treat. And I guess
And
I
then?
just forgot about it because these doors weren't even locked.
Okay. Well, I'll give you that, but we gotta put it up. So the pigs are going crazy. We're gonna feed them, and then we'll show you how they act when they get food. They're pretty crazy, but we are still pretty new to this. Like I said, we're from Florida. Haven't had any farm animals like this, so we're kind of going with the flow and learning as we do it. Alright, so Nick gave Noelle some food. So she's gonna eat some sweet feed. We're trying to get a little bit of weight on them. So she's such a good girl. Kid's going crazy. He's going to give Tucker some of the sweet feed, like I said, trying to put some weight on him. I'm gonna go over to the pigs. These little girls are funny. Look, they know we're in here to feed and water, which is crazy because they can jump, fly out, but yet they act like they're trapped. Her, on the other hand, she is trapped. Y'all need some water? Alright, let's get you some water. Hey, baby. Hey, Anthem. Come here, you want me to let you out? Come on. She's like a little puppy. She'll follow you around, she'll stay by you. Hey, girl. I'm trying to open this. Not even her food. But let's go. Get her food.
There's pork chop. Crispy. There you are. With the muddy noses. Dirty noses. Dirty.
Okay, so we've got food for all of them.
And water.
And water.
And
Anthem just likes to climb on stuff. We should probably put her up so we can go.
yeah.
This is all the stuff that we need to clean up. So we'll eventually get this. We got to take this to the dump probably in a couple weeks.
Years.
You watch it, boy.
What, 2025? 5 years.
She's so
It's hard
funny.
to get.
All right. Ready to go back up, Nick?
Yeah.
We got some things. We have to run to the store, so do that. We'll be back out later. I'm sure Nick will want to
Yes.
ride on Tucker.
No.